How to set up Apple Cash under 18. The first things first is you'll have to find your settings through the Apple or through your iPhone. Now simply tap on settings. Now once you're here, you simply tap on your current Apple account or your current iCloud account. Now all you have to do next to find is Family tab and simply tap on it to set up. Now tap on continue. Now from here, you will be seeing two options, invite others and create child account. Now for us to be able to proceed, just simply choose on create child account and just tap on agree and continue. Agree and continue again. And from here, all you just have to do is to enter your child's name, your child's first name, and as well as your child's date of birth. Now, once everything is filled out, all you have to do is to verify you are an adult. Now, once you tap on verify you are an adult, you will now then be redirected to the next page in which you will be entering the CVV code or the card number from your Apple Pay. So that's it. That's how you set up Apple Cash under 18.